Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this look using just 5 products, and you can even create this look using 4 products because I have an oily skin type, so I couldn't skip the compact. But if you have dry skin, then you can definitely skip that step and you can just create this look using 4 products. So if you want to know how I created this look by just using 5 makeup products, then keep watching. So I will first start with the application of foundation, and for that I'll be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours foundation. This is in the shade 235, that is honey. So I will take a pump on the back of my hand, and then with the help of a beauty blender I'm going to apply it all over my face. Now that I'm done with the application of foundation, I'm then going to set the foundation with a compact, and for that I'll be using the MAC Studio Fix compact, and I will gently dab it on the T-zone area, especially because I have an oily skin type. So now the foundation and compact work is over, and now moving to the eyes, I will put an eyeliner, and the eyeliner I'll be using today is from Lakme, and this is the Lakme Absolute Shine Line eyeliner. So now I'm done with the eyeliner, and I'll put the mascara, and I'll be using the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes Extra Black. So I'll be using this mascara, and I will apply on my lower and upper eyelash. This mascara is one of my favorite mascara. I love the way it volumizes the eyelashes. I just simply love it. So because this is a 5 product makeup challenge, so I'll also be using the mascara to just enhance my eyebrows. This is a great trick, and I like doing this to just darken my eyebrows, and it gives that natural look. It does not at all look like you have just made up, but it looks very natural. So my eyebrows and eyes are done. Now moving next to the lips, I'll be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream for my lips, and this is in the shade Amsterdam. So I will apply it on my lips. And I will also take a little bit in my finger and slightly apply it on my cheeks, so that I get that blush effect with using the liquid lip cream. and you just need to blend in. So this gives you that flush of glow on your cheeks, and it instantly lifts up your face. So I like using a blush and highlighter, but because this is a 5 product makeup challenge, so I cannot use the highlighter, but instead I chose to use the blush with the help of this lip cream, which I also applied on my lips. So yeah, so this is it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.